Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ansif and I help businesses like yours create stunning Webflow websites. Today I'm excited to share 3 ways I migrate websites from platforms like WordPress, Wix or Squarespace to Webflow. Whether you are looking for an exact design migration, a fresh template based customization or a complete redesign, I will guide you through each option along with timeline, costs and complexity for each. Let's get started. The first option is exact design migration. This is where I replicate your current website design pixel for pixel in Webflow. It's perfect for clients who love their current design but want to take advantage of Webflow's advanced features like faster loading speed, SEO optimization and custom animations. In terms of timeline, an exact design migration usually takes 2 to 3 weeks depending on the size of your website. The cost is typically ranges between $1,500 to $3,000 and the complexity is moderate to low. Since we are not redesigning anything, just moving your existing layout to a better platform. The second option is a template based customization. If you are open to refreshing your website design but don't want to start from scratch, this is a great middle ground solution. Here is how I approach this for my clients. We start by selecting a Webflow template that aligns with your brand and goals. I customize it to match your brand colors, fonts and content. Then I add specific features you need like custom forms and animations. This is a budget friendly option with a faster turnaround. However, it's best suited for smaller websites or businesses looking for a fresh start without a fully custom design. The third option and the one I am most passionate about is a complete redesign. This is where I design and build a brand new website tailored specifically to your business and its goals. Here is my process. I start by understanding your brand guidelines, audience and goals. Then I craft a complete custom design ensuring every element is user friendly and visually stunning. Finally, I develop the site on Webflow integrating advanced features like animations, dynamic content and SEO optimization. This option delivers the highest impact. It's ideal if you are ready to take your website to the next level with a completely unique and professional design. Each of these options has its own timeline, cost and level of complexity. The right choice depends on your goals, budget and how much transformation you are looking for. If you are not sure which option works best for your website, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to guide you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Webflow tips and leave a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.